Welcome to our ongoing weekly clip series,
Wolff Bites. Hi, I'm Lynette Wolff.
And I'm Brian Wolff.
We're the Wolff couple.
Hello.
Letters. Actually, I don't think any business would be complete without some kind of direct mail involved in it. And I've been doing direct mail not only in my information marketing business, but also my real estate business for years now. And here's some very simple tips about mailing letters that are the basics. And if you get away from the basics, the letter campaign probably won't work. You stick to the basics and it'll work a lot better and a lot more often. Number one, the list is the king when you're mailing. The list is the most important part of any mailing campaign. In other words, to whom are you mailing to?
Right.
If you're mailing a letter that says, I buy houses to tenants, you're probably not going to get very good results.
No, you don't want to go to apartment complex.
And therein lies the hard part about direct mail. You have to choose the list you want to mail to because there's quite a large number of different types of sellers you can mail to. More targeted your list, the less calls, but the better they are.
Quality over quantity, though, is what you
Correct. Quality over quantity.
And that will also have the less I do, more I make theory come to fruition there, right?
Which is a very important point, Jerome. If you're going to do letters, if you're going to get into any kind of a letter mailing campaign, the last thing you want to do is do it from your home.
Okay.
Listen to me. I don't want any kids addressing letters, stamping envelopes, or licking stamps.
Yeah.
And I don't want any spouses doing it especially. I want it out of your home, and here's why. If you're going to do this from your home, you're going to do it at your convenience, and it's never going to be convenient. You're going to put it off.
That's a really good
you're going
point.
to force relatives to do it that don't really want to do it. Even if you pay them, they don't have their heart in it, and they're only going to do it once. So in other words, what you have done is taken one of the most important parts of your business, which is cranking up the buying machines, and putting it in the hands of your disinterested relatives and expecting them to perform.
Right.
This is business. This is not a game. And if you want to have a business create revenue, you better make sure that you do step one, locate prospects. You don't locate prospects, you're done. And if your machine hinges on your kids getting a mail campaign out, you've got a problem before you even get it started very well. Our job, let the seller know we buy. Their job, let us know that they're ready. If you want to quit worrying about what your competition do, just do what they want, which isn't hard.
Well, like the flyer example.
Exactly. Or like the letter example. In other words, get the message out that you buy houses. Let them respond to you. And you'll find that many of them, no one knows houses for sale. And in fact, they don't even know it's for sale many times. They didn't even, they weren't ready. Now they get this person that may be interested in buying. It triggers the emotional response. Well, okay, I've been thinking about this. Maybe now's the time.
We love it when you like a clip.
It's even better when you leave a comment.
Plus, you can be nice and share it with others.
And remember to subscribe to get notified of new great videos.